Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnails in seconds with Thumbs AI. So just go to Thumbs.ai, type that into your URL in your web browser, and you should be able to see this web page. Go ahead and click on Start for free. I'm going to click on Logged In because I have already got an account. And once you log in, you should be able to see this creator dashboard. So as you can see right off the bat, it already shows you a lot of templates that you can use as bases for your thumbnail. So you can choose a particular style to copy if that's your thing, or you can also create your own using the Create Thumbs feature here at the left-hand side of our screen. I'm just going to go ahead and click on create thumbs, and we can create a thumbnail from a text prompt or from an image. So what I'm going to be doing first is a text to thumbnail image or text to thumbnail prompt. And I'm going to show you how easy it really is. So I'm just going to say something generic like create a thumbnail for a YouTube video or a gaming YouTube video about, let's say, Minecraft mods. Should be survival building focused. So just a really simple prompt, really vague. Don't worry about the details of your prompt too much because you can click on this enhance button. And what it does is as long as you are able to convey the general idea of what your thumbnail is going to be, this can optimize it for a prompt for you. So as you can see, here it is, create a high contrast YouTube thumbnail for a gaming video about Minecraft mods focused on survival and building. And then it also fleshes out the rest of the prompt for you. So you get a really nice result when you generate one. So you can also add your face if that's something you want to do. You can also follow a template like the ones I've shown you earlier, or you can also have a certain style. So you can create your own styles. So if you have a brand going on with your channel, you can keep it consistent across your videos. So I'm just going to keep it at that for now. Going to select one variation. If you would like to have more, you can always increase the number of variations just to have things to choose from. And you can also change your aspect ratio if it's for YouTube or for the shorts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate thumbnail, and it shouldn't take longer than a few minutes, I would say a few seconds to a few minutes. So here's our finished thumbnail. As you can see, once it loads, it's really, really high quality, and really the results you get from this program or this web app is really, really great. So if I had to make any changes to it, I just have to download the image, and I would want to add some text to really make it stand out. But overall, I'm already really happy with the result. So feel free to experiment as well with generating thumbs from images. So let's say you want to add a picture or a subject to your thumbnail, like a picture of you. You can go ahead and upload that, write out the rest of your prompt, and then generate a thumbnail that way. So that's pretty much it for this video. Really quick and really easy, and really being familiar with this platform will help streamline your workflow by a whole lot. You're going to be able to focus on the other aspects of your video production instead of wasting too much time making your thumbnail. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.